Hello everybody, welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is gross national product. Now, gross national product is also something that is very similar to the GDP because it is also a means to calculate the national income, or for that matter, the net economic activity in a particular country. And so there is a similarity with GDP, but also there is a major difference. Now let's come to the difference. Now, if you remember that in GDP, the D stood for the political territory of a particular country. That means all the sum total of all the final goods and services that were produced in the political territory is what constituted the GDP. But in GNP, N stands for the nationality, and this is something that is very, very important. This is the major difference also, that all the goods and services that are produced in a country in 1 year by the nationals of a country, this refers to the citizens of that country, all of those goods and services will constitute the national income of that particular country. So this is something that is important. Coming next to the relationship between GNP and GDP. Now, yes, there is a relationship between them. If to the gross national product we add something called the net factor income from abroad. Now, this term in itself represents two things. First and foremost, it adds all the income that is generated by Indian citizens in foreign countries, and it subtracts all the income which is generated by foreign nationals within India. So a collective of these two is what constitutes the NFIA. If this is something that is added to the gross national product, it gives us the GDP. So this is the relation between GDP and GNP. Another thing that you need to know is that between GNP and GDP, GNP is something that is considered more accurate and more precise, and it is considered a better representative of the national income. Even international forums like the IMF or the World Bank consider GNP for rankings rather than GDP. So this is an important point. Next, you need to know something also about the net domestic product and the net national product. Now, the only difference here is of the word net. Now, the difference is that whenever from the gross calculation, gross means total. Whenever from the gross calculations we subtract the depreciation that has taken place in the manufacture of goods and services, then we get something that is the net product. And this is what is an important concept. Net income is also considered more better representation of national income than the gross products. So this is something that you need to know for today. I thank you all for watching.